Everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm setting up my planner for May, and I'm going to do some pre-planning with some of my plans that I have going on for this month, and then also I'm going to figure out what sticker books I plan on using on each spread. So first I'm going to do the pre-planning part of this video. I have these sticky notes. They are no longer available from KellofaPlan. I don't think, well, if they are, I'll link whatever there is. But I don't think they're available anymore. You could just use any kind of sticky notes. I have these. They're not gonna fit perfectly, but you can always use like regular. I think there's a smaller size that you can get and use in here. Or sometimes the Happy Planner comes out with sticky notes. I have some Happy Planner ones too here as well. They're kind of big though. Do I have smaller ones? I guess not. I guess I used all my smaller ones. But yeah, I plan on using these to pre-plan in here. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out. I have a busy month actually with weekend plans, which is exciting, but also I'm already exhausted thinking about it because lots going on. I think I'm gonna use this color because I haven't used this one too much. So let's see, Saturday. Okay, Saturday I have a Disney day. We got 10. All right, so this is the 2nd. Oh no, sorry, not the 2nd, the 9th. The 9th is my Disney day. All right, so we have Disney. So that day, and then also Friday is my mom's graduation. So I'm gonna put that here. And then here on Saturday, we're coming back from Arizona. Okay, so here, back home. Okay, next plans. Okay, Mother's Day. Put a sticky note for Mother's Day. We're gonna probably meet up somewhere in LA or something, so we can all hang out. So that'll happen then. So that weekend's fully booked. That's good. This 15th, I actually have this day off from work. No work. And we're gonna go see a movie in LA, well, the LA area. It's not exactly in LA, but it's around that area. So that is the 15th. 16th, nothing. No, right? Yeah. 23rd, my niece's confirmation. 23rd. Okay, this day I have off. I'm taking every other Friday off, so I'm gonna put no work here. And then also no work here on the 29th. I think this is my only free, well, this is technically a free weekend too, where I don't have any plans. A 3-day weekend. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, no work this day. Yes, that's right. Memorial Day, no work. So I'm gonna put a sticker there, or a sticky note here. So that is the 25th. So Memorial Day, no work. Day off on that one. I think that's it. I think those are all the things I wanted to note. Birthdays. Oh, my dad's birthday is here. All right, I think that's the only birthday in May. Yeah, okay. So that is it for the pre-planning part. So I'm gonna put this back in my planner. And wherever I put a sticky note, when I do my plan with me, my monthly plan with me, I will put a sticker and write in the plans. Okay, so this one's done. I'm trying to think if I need anything else. Nothing during the week, I believe. Just work, normal things. Okay, so that is it. Now I'm gonna figure out I'm gonna let you know the spreads I plan on doing for each week. So I have some new sticker books from the Happy Planner, which will be available to purchase on the 7th. I'll have details down in the description. I have a full unboxing and all that on my channel, so definitely check that out. But I have some new sticker books that I plan on using. Well, one of them's old, but I do have some new ones. I have some old ones too that I'm going to be using for these weeks. So first one up, I really want to use this one, and I was looking ahead at what was going on during the weeks of my during the weeks that I have to plan, and I don't think I have space for this one yet in my weekly, so I'm thinking of using it on my monthly. Actually, let me figure out my weeklies first. All right, so this week I try to go based off of what I'm doing that week. If I have something special planned for the week, I kind of want it to coordinate in a way, so if I can get it to coordinate. So for instance, this week right here is this Disney week right here. So I'm going to Disneyland. I'm actually going to Disneyland with friends. So I'll go with my coworker and her family at the beginning of the day, and then later I'll meet up with another friend and her son like afternoon time. So I thought this new sticker book, since I'm going to be going with some of my friends, would be perfect. It's Minnie and Daisy Varsity. This is such a cute book. So it's Disney, so it checks that box. So I like to have a Disney spread for at least one of the weeks that I go on Disney. And then I am going with some of my friends. So I figured this would be a cute vibe for that. Right? It's really cute. It's fun. I love the patterns and the colors in this book. So this is going to be the one I use for this week. So here, let me sticky notes. A sticky note. So this book is called, what's this one called? It is Minnie and Daisy Varsity. So I'm just going to write that here. Minnie and Daisy Varsity. Oh, it's also Mother's Day. You know what? That could be Mother's too. I feel like it goes both. It's not exactly Mother's Day, but I kind of want a Disney spread, so we're going with that one, and I want to use that book, so we're going with that book. I forgot it's Mother's Day also. Oops. Okay, next week. Let's see. This week. Oh yeah, I'm going to go see a movie. We're going to see Harry Potter in this new way of viewing the movie. It's some kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's in a not traditional movie theater kind of setting. So we're going to go do that. And since we're going to see Harry Potter, the first movie, I want to do a Harry Potter spread. I've actually been holding on to this book for a bit. I haven't used it yet. This isn't new. This is called Enchanted Grounds. I think this came out, yeah, it came out last year. I just haven't used it, but I knew I wanted to use it. Like there had to be a purpose for it, whether that was going to Universal or in this instance, going to go see Harry Potter. So I'm going to use this book to decorate this week's spread. So this one's called Enchanted Grounds. If it's still available, again, I will link it. So we got Enchanted Grounds. Harry Potter. Okay, so that takes care of that one. Let's see, this week, what's going on this week? On the 24th. Okay, this is my niece's confirmation. So for this week, I was thinking this book was pretty. It's not like super religious or anything like that. I kind of didn't want it to be that way, but I just wanted it to be pretty. So I thought this one would be good. I like the little bows in this book and the colors. And yeah, I just feel like the color palette will work well for what's going on this week. I don't know why, it just fits. For me, it does. I love these little butterflies, so cute. So this one is called Pastel Poetry. I'm going to use this one for this week. Pastel Country. Okay, so that takes care of that one. And then I have this week. There's going to be 1 week where I let you decide what spread I'm going to do. So I think it might be this week. Let me double check. That one, that one. Okay, so there's only 4 weeks. I already have all these 3 covered. So this will be the one where I will leave it up to you to decide. And I actually have, okay. I really wanted to use this book, but you know what? I think I might save this for next month for summer. This one's so cute, the Saved by the Bell one. Yeah, because I think I want to use this in a weekly spread. Weekly, or I could do a monthly. Oh, let me see. Does this have boxes? No, I don't think this has, if it had monthly box, oh, it does have monthly boxes. It does have monthly boxes. But only that size. Kind of want to use it. I think I want to use this, save this for a weekly. So this will be for summer. So I'm not going to include this one. This one, I think I want to use this Peanuts one. This one is so adorable. Even though it is set for a big, I mainly want to use this for my, for the decorative stickers. I could pull in other boxes because this is set for a big, and I plan on, I think I want to use this for my monthly theme for this one. Just because I want to use it. Right? It's so cute. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to use this one. So this is going to be my monthly spread. Let me put the peanuts. Okay, and then this is the one that you can decide on. I think I pulled 3 books that I had originally put in the, I guess I call it a poll, like options. So these are the 3 left from last month if you participated in helping to pick. These are the 3 that weren't picked. Because I only chose 1 from the 4. So now I'm down to the 3. So I'm going to leave it up to all of you to see which spread I should use. I should do with one of these books. So the first one is Tinted Mosaic. This one's really pretty. I like the colors. I love the little stained glass looking designs. This one has lots of great stickers, really fun colors. Like these are so pretty. So this would be a really cool one to do for the last week of May. All right, so there's that one. Then I have Country Charm. This one has really pretty butterflies and florals and patterned boxes. Oh, these are fun, like different shapes. Functional stickers. The little bumblebees are really cute too. Okay, so that one is Country Charm. And then the last one, this one's, I really like this one too. This one is Coastal Cottage. So I really like all these themes, so whichever one you pick, I'll be happy with, because I feel like they're all really, really nice. And I feel like they fit also with the seasonal time of the year, for at least in my planner. And this one's really cute. The colors and all the citrus fruits and stuff, all the fruits. It's really cute. Okay, so let me know down in the comments. Comment with which one you want to see me use. Coastal Cottage, Country Charm, or Tinted Mosaic. Okay, so this will be your pick. So I'll write down all 3 of these so I remember which ones I listed out. So we have Tinted Mosaic, Country Charm, or Coastal Cottage. I should have got the bigger sticky note, but that's okay. Okay, so those are all my spreads. I figured out all my spreads. So let's go over that again. So this week I'll do Peanuts. This will be coming out soon. I feel like I'm gonna have this out on release day from the Happy Planner when this releases. I love this book. I flipped through it and I love all the different decorative stickers in here. They did a really good job with all the different, like, just the different ways that Snoopy is. Like, they're all different and I love that. So I'm excited because I can make a lot of spreads from just this one book from the decorative stickers. So I'm excited to use this one on my monthly. Okay, so that's monthly. And then next we have the Minnie and Daisy. This one's fun. This one's so cute. I love the patterns. So this will be a fun one to use. And I'm going to try, and I'll be using, this is a big planner, big sticker book. So big stickers in a classic size. We'll make it work with that one. Then next we have Harry Potter. I'm excited to use this one too because like I said, I was holding on to it for a bit. I actually forgot I had it until I looked through my sticker books that I have off to the side. I try to keep the books I haven't used off to the side before I put them where I store all my other books. But this one is really cool. I love the artwork in this one. The style is really pretty. So I'm excited to use this one. And we're going to go see Sorcerer's Stone, which I feel like, yeah, Sorcerer's Stone, yeah. I don't know if like these images, I guess it could be like that's his first Quidditch match kind of thing. Going to Diagon Alley. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, excited to use that one. Then next, Pastel Poetry. This one is really, really pretty. Has lots of great functional stickers, and I'm loving all these like washi options that are in here. Lots of boxes. Yeah, this one will be really pretty to use. So I'm excited for that one. New book, again, releasing on the 7th. And then the last one will be your choice. So let me know again, Coastal Cottage, Country Charm, or Tinted Mosaic. All right, so those are all the books, all the spreads I plan on doing for May. So I hope you enjoyed watching as I planned out my month, basically, for spreads and also pre-planned on my monthly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in purchasing any of these new books that are releasing from the Happy Planner, my affiliate link is down in the description, so definitely check that out. But that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.